So if we do have kind of more stress going on, things aren't going down that right pathway, it can lead to memory issues, irritability, and then that can eventually create some neurological disorders. And so like one of the key nutrients for MAOA is tryptophan, and we need tryptophan to help produce serotonin. So we go like from tryptophan to 5-HTP to serotonin to melatonin, which helps us to go to sleep. So again, we need that. That's a good thing. There's another pathway that tryptophan will go down as well. And if we are in a more stressed state, it's going to tend to go down this other pathway a lot more. The other pathway is not bad. We need it too, but it's the kynurenine pathway. And so then that tryptophan gets turned into quinolinic acid. We just don't want it to stop there. That is a neurotoxic substance in our body. Now, our body will kind of convert that into NAD+, which is needed for cellular metabolism, energy. So mitochondrial health is very useful for a lot of different things involved in a lot of different chemical reactions that are occurring while our body's producing energy, producing ATP. But if we're, again, in that kind of stress state, then it can kind of lead to a buildup of that quinolinic acid, and then that could lead to some problems and some issues. So we just don't want it to stay there, but it's not like we don't want anything going down that pathway either, because we need NAD+ for a lot of things. So we just want things in the right amount, kind of the Goldilocks principles, not too much, not too little, just right. That's kind of how a lot of things in our body work.